back to my channel. For those who are just tuning in, welcome. My name is Jessica. You can also follow me on Instagram at Yes I Can Do Makeup. And for today's video, I did this Valentine's Day look, and I used a new Amrezy and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So if you wanted to see how I created this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, so I did my eyebrows off camera, and the products I used today is a Fenty Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, and I cleaned them up with this It by Under Eye concealer in the shade medium sand, and I groomed them with this 24-hour brow setter from By Benefit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids, and I'm gonna use a soft ochre paint by MAC, and I'm gonna use this concealer buffer brush. I'm just applying that primer all over the eyelid. Alright guys, and the palette I'm going to be using today is the Amrezy from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I know a lot of you saw on Instagram that, when I purchased this palette, but unfortunately I haven't been able to play with this since I've been sick, and sorry if I'm sniffling throughout this whole video, but I'm having bad allergies right now too, so sorry if you guys keep hearing me sneeze or having the sniffles, but this is how the packaging looks like. It's so pretty, look at that. And these are the shades. You guys can see them, how pretty they are. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna do a Valentine's Day look using this palette. So why not? So we're getting closer to Valentine's Day. So yeah, let me go ahead and see what shades to use. They're all so beautiful. Can't decide. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by using the shade OG, which is this shade here, this one here, oops, that one there, and I'm going to go ahead and use this Morphe M504 brush. It's a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to apply that shade all over the lid. Sorry, not over the lid, all over my crease. Yeah, I feel like I have to get this palette since I loved her highlighter that she came out with a few years ago with Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's actually one of my favorite highlighters of all time. So yeah, I had to pick up this palette. Okay, the next shade I'm going to be using today is a shade called Semsa. And I'm going to be using this Morphe M441 brush. And this is the shade right here. This one here. That one there. I'm applying that shade right below that first shade we applied. Alright guys, so the next shade I'm gonna be using the shade Yugo, which is this one here, this one there. And it looks really like a really dark, rich plum shade. Just applying that shade right in the crease, right in the middle, like where your socket is. So yeah, I'm gonna do a halo eye, why not? I'm going back with that Morphe M441 brush and just blending those two shades together. Just don't want any hard edges. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and use this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the middle of the crease. Just want that shadow to stand out more. Just in the very middle. I'm gonna go back with a Morphe M443 brush again, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of that shade. I'm gonna go ahead and use a shade called 1988. It's a little bit more brown to it. This shade here is like a dark chocolate brown, and I'm gonna apply that in the right here next to that outer corner and inner corner. Right on my halo at the very top, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be using the shade called Anastasia, which is this one here. It looks like a pink champagne shade, this one here. I'm sorry if you guys can't see that. It's a beautiful shade though, this one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that right on the very top. See right where I'm applying it. And I'm using this Alamar Cosmetics brush. It's a synthetic brush. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it like this eye over here. I'm just gonna mix. So I applied Barbie first, this one here. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply Amrezy now. This one here, this fuchsia pink metallic shade. I'm gonna apply that on top. And then what I did after was apply this shade called Liddy, which is this one here. Apply that one on top of those shades together. And I went back and blended it out with my finger. Okay, so then what I did now is I mixed shade Hugo and the 1988 together, just to darken my outer corners too. Cause I wanted like a nice, pretty, purpley, smoky eye. Yeah, like a halo purpley, smoky eye. Okay, next I'm gonna be using this eyeliner from Kylie Cosmetics. It's a eyeliner in the shade Black. I'm trying my best not to do a dramatic wing, but every time I do eyeliner, it always ends up being a dramatic wing. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes now. And I'm using this Shiseido eyelash curler. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this Tarte Big Ego mascara. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes now, and I'm gonna be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyelashes in the shade Domina, which are these here. I never tried Anastasia's eyelashes. I'm not sure. I think they might be new actually, but I haven't tried them. So let's see how well they work. I actually like these lashes. They're really pretty. Me, I feel like I need a big full lash. I barely have any eyelashes, so yeah, I love big fluffy lashes. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this LA Girl Pro Concealer Corrector in the shade Orange. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that where I have this coloration, just under these terrible eye dark circles I have. Oh my god, eye bags. Ugh. So yeah. For my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and be using this NARS Natural Radiant Longer Foundation. It's like my favorite foundation. And I'm gonna be using this Makeup by Mari foundation brush. It's my favorite brush right now at the moment, actually. I'll go ahead and put it on over my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I just feel like I really want to look more bronze. I'm just gonna apply that here, you know, tip of my forehead and the bottom of my jawline. I just love it so much. It blends like a dream. Look at that. Blends everything so beautifully. I'm gonna be using the Alamar Cosmetics brush I was used to contour my nose with. Right, and the concealer I'm gonna be using today is the 8 by Under Eye Concealer, which is my favorite concealer. And I'm using this Morphe sponge. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of the Shape Tape concealer in the inner corners. That's where I have the most darkness. My eyes, and I'm just blending that also with that same Morphe sponge. And I'm gonna go ahead and set all my makeup with this translucent powder from Huda Beauty, and this is in the shade Banana Bread. I'm running out of this powder also. I need to get some more of it, but I'm debating on going back to getting that Laura Mercier powder instead. Don't get me wrong, I love the yellowness in this translucent powder, but at the same time, I feel like, I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna be using this Makeup by Mario Sephora brush, and this is a powder brush. And I'm dusting that powder also over my skin, just to set everything. This is powder off. I'm going back with the Anastasia palette. I'm gonna go ahead and use a shade called You Go Again. This one here, the dark purple shade. And I'm using this Luxie 111 brush. And they're right on the outer corner. And I'm just applying the halfway in the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply that shade called Simsa, and just applying that right there, and then right in the middle, so the next shade can blend easier. This use the shade we applied. The shade I played in the middle is a shade called Simsa, which is this one here, this one, and then the one next to it, I'm gonna apply the YG one. OG, I'm sorry. And I'm applying the Sugar Cosmetics eyeliner just in the waterline. I'm just gonna go over those shadows again just to set the eyeliner in place. I'm gonna go ahead and dust off that powder now underneath my eyes. Next, this translucent powder I have on. Just like that. I'm using that same mascara, the Tarte Big Eagle mascara, and applying that in the bottom lashes. Also want to highlight my inner corner right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade called Dragon. Use a gold shade, so I'm gonna use a shade called Dragon, which is this one here, this one there, and applying that right here in the inner corner. Just like that. Look how pretty that looks. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and contour now, and I'm gonna be using that KKW Beauty Contour and Highlighting Kit, the one I always use, and I'm using that Makeup by Mario contour brush, and I'm using that. I'm gonna mix these two shades together. Applying that in the middle of my cheeks, going upward with my hairline. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose using that same KKW Beauty Contour and Highlighting Kit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use this little matte brush again just to contour my nose. Alright, and for my highlighter, I'm going to be using this Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Salted Caramel. And I'm using a Makeup by Mario highlighting brush. You guys can see I haven't stopped using these brushes. I love them so much. I forgot to actually apply my blush. Can't believe that. I'm gonna be using my favorite blush at the moment, which is that Laura Geller blush. Laura Geller blush in the shade Tropical Hues. Just applying that on the cheekbones. Can't believe I almost forgot to apply the blush. Oh my gosh. I'm just applying that on my cheekbones. Yeah, we can't have a Valentine's Day look without some blush, okay? So yeah, I'm going back with the Kylie Cosmetics highlighting brush. And then just highlighting. nose. And then the tip. Also on the very top of my arch of my brow. There we go. Okay, for my lips, I don't know what to do for my lips actually. I'm gonna be using this exposed lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick also that goes with it. This is what I don't like about her. Look at that. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that has this issue with her lip liners. Every time it does that, so like, all my lip liners are like that, and I just end up throwing it away. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a stiff Laurent lip liner also. So I can have a little bit of contrast. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Marbodisca facial spray just to set everything. Okay, I'm gonna be using this Kylie Cosmetics 1 in a Billion gloss on top of my lips. I don't really like this lip gloss, so I'm gonna try it again. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you wanted to see more videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you have any recommendations or any questions, go ahead and leave your comment below. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time.